DIY Guide: How to Maximize Tomato and Pepper Yield This Season in Nigeria. Farming tomatoes and peppers in Nigeria is a profitable endeavor. That is not hype, it is math. Demand is constant, market supply fluctuates. Those who understand timing, soil nutrition, and seed selection win the season. But here is the truth most people ignore. High yield does not start at harvest. It starts before planting. Let us break it down step by step. 1. Start with the right seed, not just any seed. Seed quality determines up to 40% of your final yield. If your seed genetics are weak, no fertilizer can save it. For commercial farming in Nigeria's climate, hybrid varieties perform better because they mature faster, resist common diseases, produce uniform fruits, handle heat stress better. Tomatoes and peppers are sensitive crops. Disease resistance is not optional, it is insurance. At Agro Nigeria Limited, we stock tested hybrid seeds suited for Nigerian soil conditions because your harvest should not be a gamble. 2. Soil preparation, your hidden profit zone. Tomatoes and peppers love well-drained, loamy soil with good organic matter. Before planting, clear and plow properly. Incorporate organic manure 2 to 3 weeks before transplanting. Ensure proper drainage. Waterlogging reduces yield drastically. If possible, conduct soil testing. Many Nigerian farmers skip this step. That is like running a factory without checking your raw materials. Correct pH between 6.0 and 6.8 ensures nutrients are absorbed properly. Wrong pH equals wasted fertilizer. 3. Smart fertilizer strategy, not just more fertilizer. Throwing fertilizer blindly is expensive. Tomatoes and peppers need nutrients in stages. Stage 1. Vegetative growth. Apply balanced N-P-K fertilizer after transplanting to encourage strong leaves and stem development. Stage 2. Flowering. Reduce excessive nitrogen. Too much nitrogen means more leaves and fewer fruits. Stage 3. Fruiting. Increase potassium-rich fertilizer to improve fruit size, firmness, and shelf life. Commercial farmers who master fertilizer timing increase yield per hectare significantly. At Agro Nigeria Limited, we guide customers on correct application rates because fertilizer mismanagement reduces profit margins. 4. Spacing and transplanting, where many lose yield. Overcrowding is common in commercial farms trying to maximize space. But here is the reality. Poor spacing reduces airflow, increases disease spread, and reduces fruit size. Recommended average spacing. Tomatoes, 60 centimeters by 75 centimeters. Peppers, 45 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Good spacing equals better sunlight penetration, which leads to higher fruit quality. Yield is not about how many plants you squeeze in. It is about how well each plant performs. 5. Water management, precision over flooding. Tomatoes and peppers need consistent moisture, not flooding. Irregular watering causes blossom end rot, cracked fruits, poor fruit development. Drip irrigation is ideal for commercial farms. It reduces water waste and disease spread. Mulching also helps conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Water management alone can increase marketable yield by up to 20 to 30%. 6. Harvest timing equals market advantage. Harvest at the right maturity stage depending on your market destination. Local market, harvest slightly ripe. Long distance market, harvest mature green to reduce spoilage. Proper harvesting reduces post-harvest losses, which remain one of Nigeria's biggest agricultural challenges. Final thoughts. Tomato and pepper farming is profitable, but only when managed as a system. Seed selection, soil preparation, stage-based fertilization, proper spacing, controlled irrigation, strategic harvesting. That is how agro-entrepreneurs scale beyond survival farming. At Agro Nigeria Limited, we do not just sell seeds and fertilizers. We support serious farmers who want measurable yield improvement and long-term sustainability. Agriculture is not guesswork. It is science applied with discipline. The next growing season is not waiting. The farmers who prepare properly will dominate the market cycle. In agriculture, preparation is profit.